Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our... Today we're comparing two very different but popular Jamaican female YouTubers, Odetta Rockhead Carr and Tiffany Silver. One teaches people how to earn online and transform their lives. The other shares the beauty of Jamaica, country living, diving, and pure vibes. But the big question is, who earns more from YouTube? Let's break it down. First up, Odetta. She's known for her channel, Teach Me Odetta, and related content where she teaches income-making skills, entrepreneurship, money mindset, and how to earn online. Right now, her main channel, Odetta Rockhead Carr, has a massive following, around 1.56 million subscribers. That puts her among the top Jamaican YouTube channels in the country. On the other hand, Tiffany Silver runs a lifestyle, travel, and country living channel, showcasing travel, food, camping, fishing, nature, and everyday Jamaican life. Her channel sits at about 539,000 subscribers and has accumulated nearly 79 million total views. From those numbers alone, Odetta has roughly 3 times more subscribers than Tiffany. Let's talk earnings. While exact earnings from YouTube vary widely depending on views, ads, sponsorships, and audiences, demographics, here are the estimates based on current stats. Tiffany Silver's estimated monthly ad revenue about $600 to $2,000 per month from YouTube ads alone. That can vary depending on season, video performance, and viewer location. Meanwhile, Odetta's channel with roughly 1.56 million subscribers and much higher view counts typically earns more than Tiffany. Estimated monthly earnings around $1,000 to $4,000 just from ads. Based on this data alone, Odetta earns more overall from her main YouTube channel just from ad revenue, and that doesn't even include possible earnings from courses, coaching, books, or business consulting that she often talks about. Why the difference? It comes down to content style and audience niche. Odetta focuses on education, earning online, entrepreneurship, mindset, and business tips, topics that tend to attract longer watch time and higher ad revenue rates from global audiences. She attracts viewers seeking transformation and skills to earn money. Tiffany Silver uploads travel vlogs, country living, nature experiences from Jamaica. Beautiful content that appeals to viewers who love lifestyle, culture, and adventure. While Tiffany's content performs well, lifestyle and travel channels often don't earn as much ad revenue per view as educational business content on average. Let's think about growth and future earnings too. Odetta has over 1.5 million subscribers. With her over 1.5 million subscribers, that puts her in the top tier of Jamaican creators and gives her bigger potential for brand partnerships, high-earning videos, and monetizable authority content. Tiffany, with 500,000 audience, still has huge potential, especially if her travel, snorkel, and outdoor content keeps bringing in viewers from the diaspora and international communities. Plus, travel and country lifestyle content can perform well on evergreen recommendation systems because people always search for travel experiences. Now, here's where it gets interesting. YouTube ads aren't the only way they earn. Odetta often talks about earning money online, building businesses, investing in books, courses, and online services, which means her real income might be even higher than what YouTube ads alone show. Tiffany Silver could earn through sponsorships, product placements, tourism partnerships, and brand deals, especially as someone who showcases Jamaican experiences that brands want to be a part of. But if we're talking just YouTube revenue and estimated earnings from ads and views, the data points to Odetta earning more currently. Summertime. Odetta 1.56 million subscribers, estimated higher YouTube ad income 1K to 4K monthly. Focus, business, earning online, mindset. Tiffany Silver, 539k subscribers, estimated YouTube ad income, 600 to 2000 monthly, focus, travel, country living, snorkeling, adventure. So when it comes to YouTube ad earnings and subscriber count, Odetta currently earns more as a Jamaican female YouTuber based on available public data. However, both creators are successful in their own niches, and both can scale even higher with audience growth, brand deals, and diversified monetization. Which creator do you follow more, Odetta or Tiffany Silver? And who do you think has a better long-term earning potential? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell for more Jamaican YouTuber comparisons and content breakdowns. Big up on yourself.